My name is Prabath Chowdary Isukapalli. I completed my BTech in Electrical Electronics Engineering in 2020 from Prabath Engineering College, Andhra Pradesh. After which I joined the PhD diploma course in Embedded Systems at Indian Institute of Embedded Systems. I am here to express my sincere gratitude for the excellent training I received at IIES, which played a pivotal role in securing my placement at Nagoba Electronics as an embedded engineer in R&D department. Their guidance gave me the confidence and direction I needed to pursue my dream career. In conclusion, I am deeply thankful for the education and opportunities provided by IIES, which paved the way to achieve my goal.